Accuracy, precision, reliability. Without them, you don't have control. And without control, you don't get high caliber performance. Flow control processes are the same. Without accuracy, precision and reliability, their efficiency and safety get severely undermined. You need to exercise a lot of care and caution in choosing the quality of devices used, so that process performance doesn't become a cause for serious alarm. You need to plan for control with care. This is where we come in.
We are Shri Preeti S Metal Private Limited. We devote lot of care providing right raw material for right applications, so that you get assurance of higher reliability, lower the cost for any applications related to stainless steel products. We believe our marketing standing comes from 3 C's: credentials, capabilities, and client focus. Our credentials rooted in our founders, who are professionals in hardcore industry experience, a spirit of continuous innovation and a thirst for a growth, make them achieve unmatchable production capacity. Our founder, having experience since 5 decades in the stainless steel industries, SPAM since come to know as a one-stop solution provider for any requirement related to stainless steel raw materials. Adding weight to our credential is our principal suppliers. Our credentials are reinforced by a set of premium clients by India's renowned utensils manufacturers. We keep on developing and upgrading our infrastructure to cater versatile demand of our customers. That's the reason we achieve growth year on year. We believe our capabilities is our infrastructure. 2 automatic NC zigzag servo feeder line with 1300 mm. 12 manual power press circle cutting line. 1 1300 mm slitting cum parting line. 6-way Grantee crane capacity 7.5 metric tons and 3 metric tons forklift for internal movement. We always give priority for customer satisfaction by giving them committed quality and time-bound delivery. We have always upheld the standards of high quality set by our predecessors while continually expanding our quantitative output. We are prepared for third-party inspections at any given date and time due to the belief and confidence we and our loyal customers have in our products. We are known for providing an exceptional level of customer service to all our esteemed clients. Our manufacturing plant forms versatile enough to accommodate nearly all kinds of production specifications in raw material as per customers' requirement, which enable us to cater a wide range of applications. We keep up to 600 metric ton stock to fetch up urgent requirements. And we are always enthusiastic to cater the new customer. We at Shri Preeti S Metals Private Limited have an admirable history with the 4th generation of our family in the business, choosing not to rest on the past laurels, but create a superlative future for generations to come.